National All-Terrain Vehicle.
It's a river swimmer, hill climber, beach buggy, snow goer, hunting partner, fishing buddy, and then some. Just name your game and the ATV plays it. The fun package on tires softer than a footprint. Getaway car that takes you most anywhere you want to go, when you want to go there, any season. Plenty of brawny power to take on the whole outdoors. Take a test hop today. There's one waiting for you at your dealer. Scramble up grades like a bronco. Zoom across the flatlands like an antelope. Or just point yourself in a new direction and take off.
Well, ATVs, a vehicle for fun for the whole family, a real all-round recreational vehicle. That's it, the first annual National ATV Rally from Mt Snow, Vermont.